Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 26 of Gardening Without Edits. It is really windy today, but I'm gonna be doing this video anyways. So let me show you something that's really cool that not many people think of if you grow a bay tree, a Laurel bay tree. Many of you know that, oh, the leaves are very potent. Always harvest the leaves. There's my bay tree right here. Harvest the bay leaf trees, or the bay leaf, excuse me, and use them in your fish, chicken, or whatever you'd like. They are pretty potent, but nothing's more potent than something I'm about to show you. And this is the reason why I bought this plant, is because of this. Unopened flowers, bay flowers, unopened. This has the potency of one of these little closed flowers has, I don't know, I'm just gonna throw a number out there, like 20 of these leaves packed of I'm assuming essential oil, packed in that little cluster right here. That little thing will have like 20 of these leaves, in my opinion. I read somewhere that a lot of chefs go, they really want these flowers. They can't find them everywhere, the closed flowers. They it's easy to find leaves, but it's very hard to find dried flower clusters that haven't opened. You can see more over there. They're everywhere. So this is the time right now. I gotta harvest them before they open. Once they open, they lose all their potency. So if you have a bay tree, don't just harvest the leaves, harvest the unopened flowers. I mean, the flowers aren't that pretty anyways. So might as well get them while they're really useful, when they're closed. All right, happy gardening, everyone. And look at Lulu, look at the life. Look at Lulu's life. Just sitting in the flowers, waiting for the squirrel to come on that corner. Happy gardening, everyone.